Sociology, Chapter 23 Collective Behavior and Protests. One mark question and answers. What do you mean by social movement? A social movement is a social platform that enables people to showcase their needs and visions. What is a mob? Assembly of people around a common interest without any expectation is called mob. What do you mean by environment pollution? The soil, air, water, and biosphere getting polluted with toxin and chemicals is called environmental pollution. What is the meaning of movement? When collective behavior is organized and directed towards a specific goal to bring about social change is called a movement. Which is the meaning of riots? Violent and destructive nature of a mob behavior is called riots. Why was the Jharkhand Mukti Morcha formed in 1930? Thousands of tribal people were displaced due to mining activities. Why did the Narmada Bachao Andolan begin? The construction of dam would affect the sensitive ecological balance of the river Narmada. What is the meaning of collective behavior? The behavior of human beings in group is called collective behavior. List out the behavioral patterns of human beings. Mobs, rumors, propaganda, public opinion, revolution, social movements. There is a lot of protest against the Silent Valley project. Why? The building of the dam threatened the sensitive ecological balance of the Silent Valley. People of Mangalore opposed the Mangalore Refineries and Petrochemical Limited. Why? The industries discharge harmful chemicals into the sea, threatening the local environment. Who is the leader of the Narmada Bachao movement? Medha Patkar. What is self help groups? Self help groups is derived from self awareness, self motivation, and mutual trust to fulfill the economic and social necessities by their own efforts and cooperation. Who is the leader of the Chipko movement? Sundar Lal Bahuguna and Chand Prasad Bhatt were the leaders of Chipko movement. Answer the following questions. What is a mob? Give an example. The assembly of people around a common interest without any expectation or planning is called mob. Example. A group of people assembled near a theater to buy a ticket. Describe the nature of mob. It is a temporary assembly of people. The people assemble at a specific place. They easily influenced by mutual feelings and opinion. They also display the suppressed feelings. Sometimes mob leads to violent form. Describe the nature of riots. Riots don't have any particular aim. They destroy everything in their way. They create chaos. Riots can cause large scale loss of property and lives. They become serious challenge for law and order. What were the causes for riots? Provoking circumstances, individual uncontrolled behavior, uncivilized behavior, criminal intent of people, riots mindset. What were the causes for environmental pollution? Unbridled growth of cities, proliferation of industries, technological progress, expansion of transport system, destroying forests. Explain the meaning and nature of environmental movements. The protest aimed at preserving the biological system regarding our earth is known as environmental movements. Nature of environment movement: protecting the forest, protecting the wildlife, protecting the life of tribal people, protecting our earth planet. There was a movement opposing the Kaiga nuclear power plant. Why? Vast deforestation takes place. The threat of pollution from nuclear radiation threatens the numerous species in the ecosystem. Mob violence and antisocial activity. Why? It destroys public property, it creates confusion, spreads rumors, results in major death. Explain the Chipko movement. The government had issued a license to cut 2,500 trees. People of Reni village opposed this. The women decided to hug the trees in order to protect them so that the environment remains protected. Due to the Chipko movement, the permission given to cut the trees was withdrawn. Explain the importance of women's self help groups. It empowers women socially. It empowers women financially. It provides microfinance in a major way. It helps women to face atrocities. It provides democratic rights. It helps women to learn collective responsibility.